of red, here comes Archie, being delivered by CareFlight. CareFlight, the service of REMSA for 35 years. CareFlight has provided flying critical care medical services to patients young and old, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. CareFlight covers more than 50,000 square miles with 4 helicopters, one of which coming in now hot over the left field wall. Experienced medical staff, skilled pilots, and first-rate equipment ensure patients are always in the best hands if they need transport by air. CareFlight, always ready. Come on, guys, let's get loud for Archie. He's officially here, the round mound of red, Archie!
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we are here to honor one of the most popular figures in the history of the Reno Aces. Brett Butler managed the Reno Aces for 5 seasons beginning in 2009 through 2013. In that time, the Aces had 3 winning seasons, 2 playoff appearances, and their lone PCL and AAA championship in franchise history. Lucky not only had great success on the field, but off the field as well, where he connected with fans and the Reno community. At this time, please put your hands together and welcome the very first manager of the Reno Aces, Mr. Brett Butler. Honor that a team can achieve in sports is a championship, and under the direction of Brett Butler, the 2012 Reno Aces won the league and AAA championships. The highest honor that an individual can receive in sports is to have their jersey retired, and tonight we bestow that honor upon Brett Butler. Bugsy, fans, if you would turn your attention up here, let's now unveil the number 2, which will never again be worn in the history of the Reno Aces. And At this time, we ask you to direct your attention to the video board. We have a special thank you message for Brett Butler.
Mr. Butler, I can't thank you enough. As a child watching you play, you showed me that there was a love of the game that could span all the years, and as a manager, you showed me that everyone plays the game that loves it just as much as you do, and I can't thank you enough for that.
If there was anything I could say to Bugsy as a thank you, it would be the impact that he had on our fans. Is still, at being in our 9th season, the impact that he has and had is tremendous. He made Greater Nevada feel the place where our fans felt like it was home. He helped make that happen because of the compassion and the friendship that he shared with our fans. So thank you, Bugsy, for making that happen.
I would say thank you, Brett, for coming here and making us a champion that year. It was a pretty incredible year, and one that I think myself, my children, and my grandchildren who all attend games here will never forget.
Brett was an amazing guy, and I miss him terribly. So.
I would say, Bugsy, thank you for your guidance, and thank you for communicating with me and caring for me as a person, not only as a player, but thank you for your patience, and thank you for your inspiration, and I wish you the best, and congratulations on a wonderful career, and thank you for being my manager for me.
In the first 8 years of the Reno Aces history, there is simply no single individual who's had a greater impact on the course of professional baseball in Reno than Brett Butler. And to me, there's not even a close second, and this is an absolutely deserved honor to see his name hanging and know that his number will never be worn again for the Aces.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please welcome the Mayor of Reno, Hillary Sheedy.
All right, Hillary! All right, is everyone excited about opening day? Oh, come on, that's all we get? Are you excited? Well, we're very excited to be here, and we have a special proclamation, Vice Mayor Jordan and I do, for a very special man who has really brought something special to our community. Today we will be dedicating it Tuesday, April 11th, 2017, Brett Butler Day in the city of Reno. Now I'd like to have Vice Mayor Jordan please read the proclamation.
Thank you very much, and what an honor. Whereas Brett Butler was the first manager of the Reno Aces in 2009, dedicated to his players, the game of baseball, and above all, the Reno community. And whereas for 4 years through his charity, Brett's Big Leaguers, children were given the opportunity to get the exclusive behind-the-scenes look at what goes on in the life of a AAA manager on and off the field. And whereas Brett Butler's teams brought the city of Reno and Northern Nevada pride, hope, and last but certainly not least, Brett Butler brought the biggest little city a Pacific Coast League championship in 2012. Whereas the city of Reno is extremely excited to welcome back Brett Butler to our growing sports and entertainment community. Now, therefore, I, Vice Mayor Neoma Jordan, and Mayor Hillary Sheedy do proclaim Tuesday, April 11th, 2017 as Brett Butler Day.
Pat, we're up here.
Yeah, I know. I just want to see what's going on. You can stay here if you want. These people aren't going to come. I'll sit up here and then we'll come. One more? We got 4. Let's leave you to the blue seats. Right here. It doesn't matter. I can't carry 4 beers. Who doesn't want one?